Many websites do not come with WordPress already installed. As you can see, if you have a subdomain, you can actually build a website on your domain. So today I'm just going to actually install a WordPress theme into a site, and I'm going to go to this particular one. Key thing here is remove WP. It doesn't work particularly well with that side of things, so we're just literally going to ensure that we have certain things changed for very obvious reasons, because you don't want everyone to see everything. So what we do is we put in our password we're using for today, which will probably change namely, and we're going to call this our sample site. So this is a sample training, and this is the system that I'm going to work showing you how to use WordPress. So that's what it's all about. You can see there's lots of options here. We can have various add-ons. In this case I'm not going to. I'm going to remove this because I don't particularly find that software useful. File organizer may have its benefits, but in setting things up we're looking for a nice simple load like this that we hope to get a result from. And there you go, straight away we have now got a login option, and we can then log into the beginning of a site. So I am just going to clock in here, and I'm going to not actually do it that way around, but what I am going to look at is the latest behind the scenes in Sophica's and see what we might find of use. Not a lot, to be honest, but what I can tell you is some of these are quite useful. So this is the beginning of the sample training page. We can visit the site literally by going there, and then you have a page which is live and online. So there we go, folks. This is your dashboard, as you can see here. We will be adding areas like, for example, themes and changing the appearance. There's our themes, and below we have our plugins. We're not going to have loads of plugins, but we're going to have a selection to meet those needs. So that's another video that you will see created by myself. My name is John Fairest, and I run my website support, and this is part of a series looking at WordPress.